Hi friends, this is Barbara and we're back with another crockpot meal. Today is going to be chicken pot pie. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is add, where'd my chicken go? Okay, 1.5 cups of diced. I used the chicken tenders, used chicken breast, but you know, like that. 1.5 cups. Okay, gotta wipe my hands down. Okay, 2 cups of carrots. And then 2 cups of chopped celery. Then we're going to put a medium chopped onion. 14 ounces. 14, that's not this, okay? Not the whole thing, because this is 32 ounces. 14 ounces of chicken broth. Gee, it's going everywhere. I'm just sharing it with everything. Okay, and then after the chicken broth, we are going to do cream of chicken soup and cream of celery. I knew that was, it didn't even budge. But that's okay. I can scoop it out. So here in Iowa, the small town that I live in, we woke up to 15 inches of snow. Yeah, it was kind of a surprise. We knew we were going to have a snowstorm, but we just didn't know it was going to be that bad. Thank God we have a snowblower. Thank God. Because I can't even imagine shoveling that. So a lot of people did not make it to work today. Okay, then we're going to go in with a cup of water. Pepper, okay. And then pepper to taste. Okay, then we're going to go in with some thyme leaves. Yes, please. Then let's give that a mixy mix. So, did you get snow? If so, do you know how much you got? Put it down below, because I definitely want to read your comments. I try to read all of your comments. How much snow did you get, and what state? I'm in Iowa, and my small town got 15 inches. Okay, now let's make sure I did not forget anything. Alrighty. Now, you're going to want to pop the lid. Oh, I got to clean that off. I just can't do it. Okay. OCD. Okay, you're going to pop the lid on it, and then we're going to cook that for 4 hours on high, or we're going to do low for 8. I am on high, and I will be back in 4 hours. Okay, I don't know. Something happened to my phone. It's being stupid. But this whole time I was filming, it just shut off. So, friends, I dropped in a cup of peas, as you can see. And then what I did was take some biscuits, just regular canned biscuits, and I cut them in 4, and that's what you see right there. And now we are going to go ahead and sprinkle, come on, thyme. Okay, there we go. We're going to sprinkle a little bit of that thyme. Friends, what do you think? Do you think we should put cheese on there? You know the recipe don't call for it, but we don't care, right? I'm going to sprinkle a little cheese. Hold on. Oh, no. You know what? If I can remember, I'm going to sprinkle a little cheese, but not right now. That's probably best to do right before it's done. So right now that we put the biscuits in there, I'll be back in 45 minutes. This will be done. Then we can put some cheese on it. Okay, I am going to add some mild cheddar to the pot. And this is just a little cheese, like not a lot, just a little to make it look pretty. Perfect. Okay, we're just gonna pop that back on there and wait maybe like 10 minutes. Well, that cheese melted in like two minutes. Okay, I got my bowl here and my ladle here, and I'm just gonna dig right in there and I love that. Get me a nice big scoop. Okay. Smells good. All right. Biscuits are done. Nice and fluffy. Now I'm gonna try my hand at tasting it and not burning my mouth. Really, really good. You're gonna enjoy this, especially as cold as it is outside. It's very comforting. Okay, friends, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe. But keep cooking, friends. I love you all.